Elaine, I'll start with you. Why do you believe that these allegations may have teeth?
Well, first of all, remember this PR team was the same PR team that Depp got back in the Amber Heard and Depp case. And remember that Depp had first lost in the UK. It had been determined as a matter of law he had committed 12 acts of domestic violence against Amber Heard. That was his choice of forum. He comes over then to the US to face this trial. What he does is he hires this PR firm. Now, most PR firms, you assume, are supposed to promote their clients. That's not what this PR firm does. And it's what's clear in Blake Lively's complaint is they do exactly the opposite. They go out and intentionally fabricate stories, create smear campaigns, and with TikTok and all the other social media. And that's what happened to Amber Heard. They went after her to destroy her rather than to try to promote Depp. And it worked to a large extent. We had a very conflicted jury. They found in favor of both sides, and they were very confused. But the social media attack on Amber was absolutely horrific. And I'm so glad that Amber has come out in support of Blake Lively, and I think everyone should be coming out. She complains about sexual harassment. He hires a public relations firm. They go out to smear her and destroy her so that when it comes out publicly that she's been complaining about the sexual harassment, she will be discredited. That's their whole philosophy.
So on the reverse side, Counselor Geragos is part of the defense here that she's upset about how the public relations went, so she came up with these allegations against us.
Well, I think I don't disagree as to what happened in the Depp Heard case. What I do think needs to be said is it's almost ironic. I read the New York Times article about this, one of the first ones that came out, and I was laughing to myself and talking to some friends that the crisis managers themselves who are in a battle royale, and there's also another backstory to the crisis managers and that falling out and them sniping at each other. And they were then manipulating the New York Times reporting on this story. And in fact, the stories that have been out today are further manipulation by the crisis PR. It's almost a battle by proxy here. And I'll tell you, one of the things that tells you all you need to know, when there were excerpts of texts that were released, and somebody asked the question in some of the reporting, where did those texts come from? And they were said, well, it was subpoenaed. If they weren't subpoenaed, the texts predate any legal action. So that tells you all you need to know. It was a falling out amongst the PR firms. The PR firms decided they're going to do what they do best, which is get into a spat and plant stories at whoever is related to whoever. And mind you, everybody, this whole thing is 6 degrees of separation with all of the PR people involved. So at the end of the day, this is the dark underbelly of Hollywood and what happens on a daily basis, unfortunately.
Hey, thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget, click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.